So, welcome back. So, we will be going to write a code for a hello world. So, I have created this file. So, one thing I have to mention that if you are familiar with this compiler, I am using this application Dev C++ 5.11. So, if you are comfortable with your IDs, so do your code in your particular respective IDs. So I will be using uh, this editor. So let's code our first hello world program. So all we need to learn about the syntax of what are the necessary syntax and what are the necessary files which we have to include. So first of all, the first thing is we have to uh, mention our preprocessor and we have to include this file. So this will be going to help for our next coming arguments. Let's be more simple. Okay, this will be the area, this will be the proper syntax for printing a hello world on a console. So what else we require? We require a message. So what message we want to print on the console? So let's say my first message. So this will be a program for printing my first message on console. So let's see what happens. We will be going to compile our program. If any error occurs, then that will be thrown over here. So right now I think there is nothing error. I am not in habit of committing errors. Okay, jokes apart, we have compiled our program. Let's run our program. So we will be navigating with this. We will be navigated to this console page. So this is our message, my first message. What else we can do with this message? So let's say we have /n. This is for changing the new line. So let's say what changes have occurred right now by mentioning this. So yeah, if you notice that this line is kept vacant, this is because for this is because of this is /n. For this would be a backward slash and lowercase n. Only lowercase n will be going to work for this changing line. If the C++ programming is case sensitive, that it means that the same letters in uppercase and lowercase will be treated as differently, because although they have a different ASCII values. So we'll be going to talk a lot more about these ASCII values and all. So let's just be specific with this program. So what else we can do is we can even, let's say there are other also other facilities like /t. This is for making a space of tab. Let's make roots this side. This. So let's watch what new change has been occurred by this, including this /t. So if you notice that this message has been shifted for one tab. So /t is for this purpose, and I was just talking about a /b and /r. So what does /b source while programming? I can demonstrate one of the example. Let us say right now what we are trying to print on console is hello Gyan Prakash. So what does /b can do? Let us see. Like After slash b we can write anything. Let's say any let's say Sunny. So after compiling this program, practically what should appear on the console? That should be, it seems like hello Gyan Prakash, and something should happen, and then Sunny should be appear. So let's watch. So what happened over here is hello Gyan Prakas, and H has been replaced by SUNNY. So what actually happened over here is the Sunny, the string or the spelling SUNNY has been shifted one character left side. So just because of that, the H has been deleted or overwritten. The S has overwritten the H. So it's when the compiler is printing HELLOGYAN and PRAKAS H, then slash B, then again the control is returning back to the S and again overwriting this H with SUNNY. This is the flow of compiler which according to which this message is being printed. Now let's analyze slash R. This is called as, in the slash B was we call as I think back return something. I don't know exactly what we pronounce that symbol. Okay, let it be. For now, let's see what change does this slash R can make. So we call this slash R as a carriage return. What else functionality does slash R can provide us is that it can move our control towards the starting position and then start overwriting the message. So what should be the message? The message should be a SUNNY. How much letter does it contains? SU 3 to 5. So 5 letters will be replaced by will be start replacing from here, and rest of all message will be printed as it is. So let's watch. Yeah, exactly. Then Sunny and Gyan Prakash has been printed over here. Sunny, I mean Sunny Deol. I like Sunny Deol a lot more. So this was the entire prototypes. If we want another functionality like something else, so we have to include our files over here, and whatever files we need we have to include over here. So for now let it be. Times in some editor you have to mention a type of main function. Without mentioning a type of main function, there would be a error thrown to your compiler. So for this integer type, it is mandatory to mention that which type that what you are returning. So I have mentioned a returning. So for now we have returning, let's say 0. To whom we are returning this value 0? This should be a question. So we are returning this 0 to that operating system in which our program is actually running. That how we are going to convey that operating system that yeah, we have successfully executed our line of program. We have ended our program. So in the last of the main function, we have to definitely mention that what value we are returning to the OS. Generally, where the place from where the function is being called, the return value is also provided to that function. Yeah, that's it. What else we can do if we want to change our message? So let's change our message. Let's change hello Gyan Prakash. So this will be going to print my name, of course. How can I leave this privilege of writing my name in front of my viewers?